So here's the battery install. We haven't finished mounting the battery down, but we got the wires in. As you can see, there's the ground wire. We labeled it. It goes down. Again, we labeled it. And here's the positive, also labeled. Ran into the corner and under. You can see the wire comes through there, comes down. It's covered here in Raychem. It splits. Goes into the factory fuse box here on this side. And goes under. You see it routing under there. Into the starter. It hasn't been finished being mounted under here yet, as you can see. But that's where it goes. There's one of the grounds going to the chassis. And it comes over and goes up to the cylinder head and the block. This goes to the block. It's not mounted yet. I have to tag it. And that one goes to the head.